plastic stall. She is sounding nice. Instructions or anything like that included, which, I mean, you know, it is what it is, but if you've got some basic, like, troubleshooting skills, you can figure it out for yourself, you know. Watch a couple of YouTube videos, it's not rocket science. And I believe, like, if you ask Yamaha, you know, look at the owner's manual and whatnot, they say it's about 60 a gallon, which I'd say it's probably closer to 50. And I believe, correct me if I'm wrong, like a 3.4 gallon tank. So I mean, you know, you probably get around 200 miles out of a tank, full tank that is. Which, if you think about it, is really not bad. It does take 93, she is fuel injected. I mean, you know, the thing is, there's always going to be that honeymoon phase where you absolutely love the thing, you're not going to be able to find something wrong with it yourself. I think we're going to pick up the broski's friend. He's just down the road a little bit, so probably go wake his ass up, go for a little ride, 'cause it is a beautiful day out today. Alright, I lied last time. This time we're going to pick up his friend. Got the electric Domino's vehicle. That's what's up, man. Save the planet. Hell yeah. Pretty cool art on the Tark. Probably drawn, you know, by some little middle schoolers and stuff. Pretty good though. Never been very good at art myself, so you know, can't really hate on it too much. Oh, fuck, hold up. funny because, I mean, the thing is, it's never going to do justice when you hear it over the camera. It's not going to sound the same as it does in person. You know, it's not even similar. Because it's crazy. This exhaust is about 3 or 4 times louder than the other one, than the stock one, that is. But it still seems sometimes like the stock one sounds about the same on camera, you know. Still deciding whether I want the first maintenance, if I'm just going to do it myself, or if I'm just going to take it back to the dealer, have them do it since it's the first big one, and then just kind of go from after there, or what, you know. So we've got a couple decisions to make. I will say the clutch was a little bit weird after getting off of it and then getting back on it after like 3 or 4 days of rain. It's got like a weird little point where you kind of got to hold it for just a second, and if you release it too soon, it just kills it, man. Funny because it's just like a lot of farms. Oh, they got the blob over there, man. This must be like a camp or something, I'm sure. Use it for like kids' summer camps and whatnot.